Now, when we subtract fractions, it's the same process. Again, we're going to find the common denominator and just subtract the tops, the numerator. So the first one already has a common denominator of 16. So I'm trying to subtract the tops. 13 minus 7 is 6. So that's 6 over 16. Reduce when I can. They both have a common factor of 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that's 3/8. The next one, 1/2 and 2/7. Well, they're LCM. They're both prime numbers, so the LCM is going to be 14. You have to multiply them together. So 1/2, I'm going to multiply that by 7 over 7 plus, and then 3/7, I'm going to multiply that by 2 over 2 to get that to 14. So when I do that, I get 7 over 14 plus 2 times 3 is 6 over 14. This is just equal to 13 over 14. 1/4 plus 19/24 minus 5/12. So now I got a little bit of adding and subtracting, but again, same concept. LCM first, get them to a common denominator, and then just add and subtract the tops. So here, the LCM between 4/24 and 12 is 24. So I'm going to multiply 1/4 by 6 over 6. 19/24 is already in the form that we wanted, already has a 24 in the denominator, minus 5/12. I need to multiply that 12 by a 2 to get it where I want it to go. And so when I do this now, I get 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24, plus 19/24 minus 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 12 is 24. So now everything has a denominator of 24. So I know the denominator is going to be 24. Just add the tops and subtract where I need it. 6 and 19 is 25, minus 10 is 15. So it's 15 over 24. These have a common factor of 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So it's 5/8. And then on this one, again, LCM, 6, 4, and 3. Well, their LCM is just going to be 12. So 5/6 needs to get multiplied by 2 over 2. 1/4 needs to get multiplied by 3 over 3. Minus 2/3. 2/3 needs to get multiplied by 4 over 4. So when I do this now, I get these fractions. 10 over 12 plus 3 over 12 minus 8 over 12. 10 plus 3 is 13, minus 8 is 5, so this is just 5 over 12.